Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix echo sound issue on audio calls and video calls on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you want to do is just be on your desktop, and at the bottom right, you'll see a sound button, which is the speaker. Just right click on it and click on Open Sound Settings. Then this settings will open up. From here, make sure you have a proper volume on the speaker as well as a proper volume on the mic. Also make sure you have selected the right speaker from over here. Also make sure you have the right mic selected at the bottom as well. And after that, what you have to do is just click on the speaker settings and it will expand. And inside this, just scroll down a bit and make sure spatial sound is turned off. And after you have done that, you can go back. And then just close this. And after that, just go to your search and search for sound. And from the best matches, just open up Change System Sounds. And this menu will pop up. From here, just go to Recording. Then just go to your microphone, right click on it, and click on Properties. And after that, just go inside Listen. And make sure Listen to this device is unchecked. And then just go to Levels and make sure your level is at a suitable position. Don't make it max. Keep it a little bit lower, like 80% or 70%. Also, if you have bass boosting, make sure that's at a good level as well. Don't keep it too high. Then just click on OK. Then you can just go to Playback and then just go to your speakers and right click on them and go to Properties. From here, just go to Levels and make sure it's at a good level. And after that, go to Enhancements. From Enhancements, make sure to click on Disable All Enhancements. It will make sure bass boost, virtual surround, room correction, loudness, everything is turned off for you. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Click on OK once again. And after that, your sound should be fixed. But there's one more step that you can do if your sound didn't get fixed. To do that, what you have to do is just go ahead and right click on your start and then just go to Run. In Run, type services.msc. That is services.msc and click on OK. Then Services menu will pop up. From here, just search for Windows Audio. And there you go, we have found Windows Audio. Just double click on it and open it and click on. Then just close this. Do the same thing for Audio Endpoint Builder, or just right click on it and click on Restart. It's gonna do the same. You can just close this and go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix echo sound issue on your audio and video calls on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.